Right. Now one more problem on the board. If you see that, solve modulus x minus 1 plus modulus x minus 2 greater than or equal to 4. See, here this question is a little different from the other questions. See, here modulus x minus 1, modulus x minus 2. So two types of modulus function on one side, and also we have to apply the conditions. See, how to do this one? First of all, let x minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. So let x minus 1 and x minus 2 equal to 0. So we are going to get it x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So what you could say, these two are critical points. Critical points. Now these critical points we are supposed to represent on the number line. If you write on the number line, say 1 is 1 and here is 2. So if you see the number line is going to be divided into three parts. One is this and another one is this, another one is this. Okay. Now using these three regions, we are going to define this value. Okay. First, this region we have to go. So that is case 1. I am going to do that now. Here, so what I am taking, if x lies between 1 minus infinity 1, if x lies, so minus infinity less than x less than 1. It means what I am trying to say, x value if is less than 1. So if it is less than 1, what you can say that here modulus x minus 1 and modulus x minus 2, right? So now suppose one example, you take 0, 1 below 0. Forget about modulus. 0 minus 1 is negative. So what I can say, modulus x minus 1 is going to be happen negative. Similarly, modulus x minus 2 also going to be happen as negative. So now what is given, that we are going to write it. So if you apply this each one in this one, so what are you going to get it? Minus of x minus 1 minus of x minus 2 greater than or equal to 4. Now simplify, minus x plus 1 minus x plus 2 greater than or equal to 4 minus 2x plus 3 greater than or equal to 4. Now 3 carry that side. So minus 2x greater than or equal to 1 and negative 2 you are going to shift it that side. So what you can say, x less than or equal to minus 1 by 2, because I am shifting the minus, that's it. So less than or equal to greater than or equal to has to be changed. So when it is say that x less than or equal to minus 1 by 2, so we are taking minus infinity to 1, then what could be the possible values of this one? X belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 which is included. Now I am going to the case number 2. See, if case 2, what are you saying that case 2? Case 2 says that x lies between 1 and 2. So if 1 less than x less than 2. 1 less than x less than 2. So if you take 1 less than x less than 2, it means 1 above but 2 below. So 1 above, suppose you take 1.5, substitute 1.5 minus 1 which is 0.5. So it is positive. So modulus x minus 1, it's going to be happen positive x minus 1 and modulus x minus 2 going to be happen minus of x minus 2. So x minus 2 is going to be negative and x minus 1 is going to be positive. So if I am going to write everything in this, what I am going to get it? X minus 1 which is positive minus x minus 2 greater than or equal to 4. So now open the bracket. What do you say? X minus 1 minus x plus 2 greater than or equal to 4. Here x cancel. So 1 greater than or equal to 4 which is false. It cannot be happen. 1 greater than or equal to 4 cannot be happen. So what I can say, in this region no solution. In this region no solution. So let me go through the case 3 also. If you go through the case 3, if x lies between 2 and infinite, 2 less than x less than infinite. If you are going to take this one, what is going to be happen? See, take one example, 2 above, suppose 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So it is positive. So modulus x minus 1 in that region it is going to be happen positive. And similarly modulus x minus 2. Modulus x minus 2 also it's going to be happen positive because he said 2 above. So even if you take 2.1 also it is positive. So now these both going to be applied in this. It become x minus 1 plus x minus 2 greater than 4. So now try to simplify. 2x minus 3 greater than 4. Then 2x greater than 4 plus 3, 7. And it says that x greater than 7 by 2. X greater than 7 by 2. Okay. Greater than or equal to. X greater than or equal to 7 by 2. Now, case 1, we got it minus 1 by 2 below. Case 2, no solution. Case 3, 7 by 2 and above. So, now what is the final solution? So, the solution set of this equation will be, solution set. The combined one we are supposed to write from this one. What is that? Minus infinity, x belongs to minus infinity, comma minus 1 by 2 union 7 by 2 comma infinite. 7 by 2 comma infinite. I hope you understood. Minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 union 7 by 2 comma infinite. Okay. This completes the solution.